as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. These features may differ from aircraft that you have flown on before. Please remove headphones for this demonstration. All emergency exits are indicated by a red exit sign, and the footpath markings will guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. The exits are located on both sides of the aircraft, at the front, in the middle, and at the rear of the cabin. All exits are also shown on the safety card. The nearest exit may be behind you. In case of an emergency evacuation, you must leave all your hand baggage behind. To fasten a seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and secure by pulling the loose end. To open a seatbelt, lift the buckle cover. In case of a loss of cabin pressure, masks like this will drop automatically from the panels above your head. Remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the strap, and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, hip at the front, and secure as shown. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece. Is securely fastened, tray table folded, armrests down, and window blinds open. For your safety,
Prostowanie ciała pociągając na głośny koniec. By napełnić kamizelkę, należy wyciągnąć deski, a nie zakleszczony taki czerwony uchwyt. Nie należy napełniać kamizelki przed kołem. Dziękujemy za uwagę i życzymy przyjemnej podróży.
Gdzieś tu było, launch now,